If you're looking for a spacious, ranch-styled floor plan, this 1.5-story Waterford 2 might be just what you're looking for. With over 2,600 square feet, this 3-bedroom, 3-bath home with game room will absolutely amaze you with amenities and architectural design. If you like hand-scraped hardwood floors and high ceilings, you'll love this home. As you enter the Texas-sized front entryway, you'll find a large family dining room and owner's study. And if bigger is truly better, the great big family room and First Texas signature stone fireplace is surely a best-in-class grand prize winner. This family room flows right into the gourmet kitchen and dining nook. The Waterford 2 custom kitchen comes complete with stainless steel appliances, custom cabinets, corner pantry, and granite countertops. The owner suite located on the first floor includes a large master bedroom, private sitting area, 2 closets, and a spa-styled master bathroom. The master bath has a deep jetted tub, separate stand-up custom shower, and dual granite vanities. Additionally, downstairs you'll find 2 large bedrooms and adjacent bathroom. Upstairs and away from it all, you'll find the perfect game room and private bathroom for endless hours of entertaining your friends and family. The Waterford 2 floor plan is also available with an optional media room or second-floor master suite. First Texas Homes offers a variety of different floor plans. We can build you this floor plan or any of our others in almost every First Texas community.
When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you will receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are confident in our low rates. If we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.